As a busy operations leader, you handle a lot of moving parts to keep your business running. You're always ready to resolve unexpected problems because that's what's expected of you. But as you add on more locations or change up your team, you take on more problems as well. You need to get repairs and maintenance done, source the right service providers, and keep your locations looking like new. Your team needs more help, but with tight budgets, hiring headcount is not an option. The old options for outsourcing take away your control and add markup costs of 20% or more. That's why we created ServiceChannel Managed, a new collaborative approach to facilities management that turns down the noise while keeping you in control with no hidden markups. We start by analyzing your existing provider base to see where you can save the most with upgraded vendors. Then we connect you with a network of top-performing providers that deliver better service at a lower cost. For your planned maintenance services and projects, we competitively bid and source the most cost-effective providers for your needs. After building your custom network, we monitor provider performance and make changes to ensure they're delivering at every location. Our team manages your work orders 24/7, so you can focus on serving your customers and growing your business. We help with day-to-day operations, communicate with your staff and providers, and advise you on critical decisions with our trade experts. And we continually optimize your workflows over time based on the data. You get real-time visibility to your spend, locations, and assets right in the ServiceChannel platform. The only constant in your business is change. With ServiceChannel Managed, you have the flexibility to get more help when needed. Or if you hire a team, you can take over operations with the ServiceChannel platform. By partnering with ServiceChannel Managed, you get more time for your strategic priorities and the peace of mind that we're taking care of your brand every day. To see how ServiceChannel Managed Services can help take your program to the next level, request a demo at servicechannel.com.